pupils, dear teachers, and all my dear friends. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Today, as we prepare the model of volcano, so I am going to explain how it is formed. As we all know that our Earth is divided into three parts: crust, mantle, and core. And the thickness of crust is 35 to 70 kilometer, and the thickness of mantle is 2900 kilometer, and the thickness of core, and this core is divided into two parts, outer and inner core. The thickness of outer core is 2300 kilometer, and the thickness of inner core is 1200 kilometer. So among these three layers, all the earth heat is stored in mantle. Due to hot in this layer, the rocks present inside this layer starts slowly melt into a thick liquid called magma, and the magma finds its ways to erupt up. So the heat pushes magma to come out from the inner surface of the earth in the form of lava, as you can see here. Thank you.
Good morning to our honorable sir principal and our class teacher Stalin sir and all my dear friends. Today I'm going to explain about the model of volcano. As we know, our earth is divided into three cells: the crust, mantle, and core. For the sake of understanding, we have done this three layer here: crust, mantle, and core. This crust has a thickness of 35 to 70 kilometer, and the mantle has a thickness of 2900 kilometer, and the core is divided into two parts: outer core and inner core. Inner core has a thickness of 2300 kilometer, and inner core has a thickness of 1200 kilometer. So, due to the hotness present in mantle, the tectonic rock melt out as a magma, and it get hot, and the mantle get hot, and the tectonic plate, as we know, it's mantle, so it will erupt out as form as lava, as we can see here. So it is called a lava, and it form out as like this if the rock is hot and it present in mantle. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal and our student and my dear friends. My name is Mary Chetri. I am from class 8, and today I am going to explain how does volcanoes erupt. How does volcanoes erupt? Yes, we have made this model of volcano eruption, and I am going to explain how volcano erupt. We know that mantle of earth is too hot, and its mantle and
Good morning to respected Sir Principal, our Sir Stalin, and all my classmates. My name is Tanu Vadrai. I am from class 8. Today I am going to explain how volcano is formed. As we all know, our earth is divided into three cells: crust, mantle, and core. The thickness of the crust is 35 to 70 kilometer, and the thickness of the mantle is 2900 kilometer, and in core we have two parts: outer core and inner core. The thickness of the outer core is 2300 kilometer, and the thickness of the inner core is 200 kilometer. The hot is present in the second layer, mantle. Due to the hotness present in this layer, the tectonic rock will be melt into magma and find the ways to come out from the deep of the earth, called lava. And for your sake of understanding, we have made this volcano. Now I am going to show how it is formed. as you can see here. Thank you.
Class teacher, Sir Stalin, and my dear friends. My name is Dimandas. I read in class 8. Today I will show how the volcano is formed. There are three parts in the earth: crust, mantle, and core. We have made this to explain it. The earth is not actually like this. The, thick- the, the distance of crust is 35 to 70 kilometer, and the distance of mantle is 2900 kilometer, and the core is divided into two parts: outer core and inner core. The outer core is 2300 kilometer, and inner core is 1200 kilometer. The tectonic plate is formed in the mantle. Due to hotness, the tectonic plate melt down and form into magma, and find the way to come out in the earth's surface. And due to hotness, the magma come out from the earth's surface and form into lava. Now I will show how it is formed. And as we can see, this is lava. Thank you. Good morning, respected Sir Principal and Sir Stalin, and my all dear friends. My name is Rupam Biswas and I am from class 8. Today I am going to explain how volcano is formed. We know that our earth is divided into three parts: crust, mantle, and core. Thickness of crust 35 to 70 kilometer. Thickness of mantle is 2900 kilometer, and core is divided into two parts: outer core and inner core. Outer core is 2300 kilometer, and inner core is 1020 kilometer. Due to hotness is present in mantle, the tectonic plate melt into magma, and magma will raise out in the form of lava. Now I will show how lava is. Now you can see lava.
Are you going to upload this video? Good morning, respected principal and all my dear students. So today, class 8, we have arranged the model of volcano. So actually, the earth, it doesn't look like this, but just for the sake of understanding, we made the model of a volcano in this form. So to make this one, we take a cardboard or either a carton, and then inside this we put one plastic bottle, and outer we made this with mud, and this one we put inside a plastic bottle, and all the outer part we made it by a paper itself. So, and the requirement for here, we take the requirement things here. We take a shampoo and Eno, and some water. We mix it, a shampoo and red color and the water together. So with this one we pour it inside the bottle, and we take so we already poured water which is mixed with a shampoo. Now with the help of this we are going to erupt the volcano. So as already class 8 explained about the structure of volcano, we have 3 layers in the earth, that is crust, mantle and the inner. So in this layer, that means mantles, due to the heatness or the hot present here, so the tectonic plate or rocks present here, they will melt it in the form of magma, and they will search a way to erupt as a form of lava. So they, let us put this. So when they get the way to erupt, and this magma, they will form and of the earth surface in the form of lava. So this is lava. Thank you.